Hi guys, Queen D here. Welcome to my kitchen where I show you how to cook vegan, vegetarian and healthy Caribbean food. I am so excited about today because this is the first video that I am doing in my newly renovated kitchen. And also for today's recipe. Today's recipe is one of my favorite. It's actually banana fritters. You know, banana is one of those fruits that is very versatile. I normally use my leftover bananas to bake banana bread, but today I thought that, you know what, I want to make something different. So, without further ado, let's get started. Banana, banana, banana. Today my ingredients are very simple. All you're gonna need is red banana, flour, sugar or sugar substitute if you're not into sugar, a little bit of vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Here I have 4 red bananas, 3/4 cup of Swerve sugar. Swerve sugar is a natural sweetener that does not have a bitter aftertaste and it does not raise your insulin level. This is a blend of nutmeg, cinnamon, and sea salt. And here I have 1 cup of self-rising flour and vanilla. What I will be doing is crushing my bananas and then adding the rest of the ingredients. Thank you for watching Queen D's Kitchen. If this is your first time watching, please like, share, and subscribe. Share it with a friend. I am sure somebody that you share it with is going to enjoy it. So until next time, see you in another episode of Queen D's Kitchen.